So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi! And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa! I love birthday parties. They're so much fun! Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa! And then you get to eat the cake. So yummy! So let's draw a straight line. And then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. So then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone. Let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about.